Well, hello there. This is Skip McCoy for Riversoft University, and this video is about Riversoft Office's very special feature to handle Ohio Medicaid first hourly billing. Ohio Medicaid reimburses using two different bill rates per skill, a unit rate and a base rate. A unit rate is 1/4 of an hourly rate, and a base rate is a flat rate. So in order to handle this unusual type of bill rates, what you'll do is configure your Ohio Medicaid payer. Make sure you choose the right payer class, the ECS style. That's important for sending them electronic claims, the 837 file. It's going to be a HCFA claim, and the billing frequency is weekly. The payer switch, which is going to pull off this magic, is called Ohio First Hour. Once you've got that payer switch in there, you will need to put in 2 entries for each allowed skill. So if you're doing home health aid only, you'll need 2 entries for home health aid. If you're doing LPN and RN, you'll need 2 entries each for them to store these rates. Let's pretend, though, you're just doing home health aid for Ohio Medicaid. What you'll need is 1 entry for home health aid with a bill unit of visit. And this bill unit of visit, that's going to store our base rate. And let's pretend that base rate is $23.26. You'll also need an entry in here for home health aid, bill unit hour. And there we're going to store our unit rate. It's an hourly rate, so take whatever unit rate they give you, let's say that's $3, multiply that by 4, and that's going to be the hourly rate. So you'll store 2 rates. Remember, the visit rate is where you're going to store what they call a base rate. And under the hourly bill unit rate, you're going to take their unit rate, multiply it by 4, and store the bill rate. Their unit rate is basically a quarter-hour unit, so that's why you multiply it by 4. You also need to make sure you've got the right HCPC code in here for the skills. If it's an LPN, you will need to use a modifier of TE, and if you're putting in an RN, you'll need the modifier of TD. But Ohio Medicaid requires modifiers of U2 for the second visit of the same skill on that same day, and U3 for the third visit. Don't put those modifiers in. Riversoft will put those in for you on the claim, and I'll show you. Okay, so that's really the 2 steps in setting up the payer, is make sure you use that Ohio First Hour payer switch, and then for each skill, put in 2 entries, 1 to store the base rate, 1 to store the unit rate. And everything I'm telling you here is in the I button. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is, now that we've got that set up, I'm going to show you how that works. I'm just going to go to a visit. Okay, this is a quarter-hour visit. According to Ohio Medicaid, the first quarter hour is going to be paid based on the unit rate. So this would be 1 unit, and a unit is $3. 4 units is $12. So this would be $3. I'll increase this to a half an hour, so that's 2 units. So it would be 2 times the unit rate, or $6. But according to them, as soon as you get into the 3rd unit, or the 3rd quarter of the hour, you're now able to bill the base rate, $23.26. See how that happens for you automatically. If I go to 1 hour, that's still the base rate, $23.26. If I go to the next quarter hour, it'll be the base rate plus 1 unit, or $3, $26.26. So you can see how Riversoft Office is actually calculating your bill unit for you. Pretty neat. Okay, the next thing Riversoft Office is going to do for you is, when you look at this schedule, let's say I've got 3 visits on this day for the same skill. Hopefully my claim will come out with this line item with the correct charges, this line item with the correct charges and a U2 qualifier, and this one for the correct charges and a U3 qualifier. So if we go look at the invoices, this is the invoice that holds those visits, and if I go look at the claim, that's what it's going to look like. So you don't have to enter those U2 or U3 qualifiers. It will do that for you. That's going to save you a lot of time for Ohio Medicaid. That feature alone will save you hours a week. I hope you enjoy that. I hope that really saves you some time for Ohio Medicaid. This is Skip McCoy for Riversoft University, signing off.